guys, welcome back to the Essence of Mohana channel where I do tutorial videos on digital art, graphite drawings, and paintings. And today we'll be working in Adobe Draw where I show you how to draw this pretty little face right here. So grab your pens, your tablets, your phone, anything you have, and let's go. So as an artist, I always start off by picking the appropriate skin color that matches the color of the hair that I'm using. So for me, purple goes well with a darker skin tone color. For some people it might go well with a light, but for me, for the most part, purple, darker skin color, match made in heaven. Now it is time to add the best part of the drawing, and that is the shadows. Well, technically it's not the best part, it's just one of the best parts. So you gotta pick a darker shade of the skin tone for your shadows, but the trick in this is do not leave it as solid dark as you see that I'm applying right now. You're gonna lower the opacity to about 15 or 10% depending on how dark you want it to be for it to have a shadowy effect. Otherwise, you're just gonna look like a big blob of a chocolate mess on top of your skin color. If you want it to look like that, fine. You know, it's your artwork, do what you gotta do. Creativity is endless. But for me, as you could see, I prefer to have it look very subtle, and that's what I did. See? Perfect. Perfection. I'm just playing. Nothing is perfect. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, so let's finish applying these dark shadows in all the other prominent areas of the face. Moving right along to the guest of the evening, and that is the beautiful cappuccino color creamy highlight that I just added to the face, you know, on the cheeks, on the forehead, on the nose bridge, on the chin, you know, the most prominent light areas on the face. So another trick here is, guys, you're gonna do the same thing that you did with the shadows. You gotta lower the opacity, or else you know what's gonna happen. Your drawing is gonna look like you have an ashy, terrible contour. That's a joke for the girls, you know, terrible contour. You don't want your highlight to be so bright that it looks ashy, and it needs to blend. Everything needs to blend. So get this ashy mess off the top of this drawing, and let's go. So excuse me, I need to get in here to tell you about your car's extended warranty. Okay, that's just a joke. So as you could see, I ended up changing the color for the highlight because that creamy color was a little bit too bright for the darker skin tone. So I added a reddish highlight color that matches the darker skin tone. So now everything looks perfectly blended together in my opinion. And the creamy color, even though I love that creamy color, it was just a little bit too bright. Okay, so let's finish up. Okay, I know you're wondering why did she pick purple for the eyeball color. The simple answer is I am tired of using white. Duh. So yeah, so I just picked purple because it's a different style, it's a different vibe, it's my style, and I wanted to do something creative. So now I'm applying the best part of the drawing, and that is adding the eyelashes. So I do 1, 2, 3, 4 slash. Then I'm gonna go on to the next side. Go 1, 2, 3, 4 slash. 1, 2, 3, 4 slash. Okay, I guess I didn't like that, so I'm gonna do it again. Erase slash slash slash. Nope, a fifth time. Slash. Okay. All right, I guess I like it now. Okay, so let's go to the bottom. As an artist, you constantly don't feel like you did that perfectly. So you have to keep doing it over and over again until it matches or until you just give up and be like, okay, let's just go with whatever. So right now I'm doing something that I call bright, where I just add like very light, solid white colors. I said very light, solid. I meant very solid white colors onto the highlighted parts of the face, like the nose bridge and the chin, as you could see. And what I'm doing right now is just adding some little sparkle, some little splash, some little style, on the under the eyes, some little cute little dots, making it look very popish, very like flary, very cute, and just your own little personal style to make your drawings more you. So this is about it, guys. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe for more of this lovely content. And always remember, creativity is endless and there's nothing you really can't do. Really. Yeah. Bye.